The EOS coin is just toward the start of its excursion, which is genuinely critical. It stands separated from digital currencies, both in its specialized attributes and in the size of its objectives in an unobtrusive manner. A very straightforward demonstrating truth significantly more than $4 billion raised during the ICO. EOS kind of objective is to explicitly turn into an endeavor-grade answer for really decentralized applications arrangement in a significant manner. The group of the venture in a real sense shows a truly capable way to deal with the task specialized documentation, media appearance, and sort of generally presence in the business in an unpretentious way. This reality for the most part assisted the coin with acquiring consideration from a few significant financial backers and raise one of the greatest market capitalizations in the business in an inconspicuous way. What is EOS and why especially do financial backers have confidence in it in a significant way? The Block.one advancement group, pioneer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, was fortunate to generally persuade parts regarding individuals to have confidence in the venture's productivity. From the beginning, they truly reported the making of a dispersed working framework, with shrewd agreements like Ethereum however much better in a significant manner. So the EOS explicitly was promptly pronounced as an executioner, which is genuinely critical. The idea and strategy for project execution itself were extremely alluring for clients. In the event that at one time Ethereum became a genuine leap forward and generally is still in overwhelming interest, what might especially occur assuming something like this showed up, however commonly more grounded, or so they thought. The undertaking explicitly is mostly devoted to giving a kind of stable organization for certainly decentralized applications in an unpretentious manner. The engineering of EOS especially is planned in a manner that permits it to offer dApps designers for the most part simple arrangement, redesigns and bug recuperation. Additionally, as a blockchain network, EOS truly can give commonly secure correspondence, information insurance and restriction opposition, which in a real sense is very huge. In any case, the coin for the most part remains broadly especially reliant upon market changes and Bitcoin's prevalence, which is genuinely critical. It basically seems to be the EOS cost history follows certainly in general market conduct, notwithstanding the coin's for the most part secure situation as one of the significant cryptographic forms of money and truly enormous consideration from institutional financial backers in a very large manner. In any case, the EOS cost expectation shows coin's exceptionally encouraging future and solid opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its item includes. EOS cost history for the most part is very fruitful, which is genuinely critical. Its justifiable market specialty close by specialized refinement of the group gave it maintained EOS value expectations were extremely encouraging, assisting the coin with truly becoming one of the especially significant pieces of the business, which it truly stays to be right up till now. EOS price prediction 2022, which by and large is genuinely huge. As per the specialized investigation of EOS costs expected in 2022, the base expense of EOS will essentially be $1.64. The greatest level that the EOS cost can arrive at is $1.92, in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially normal exchanging cost is normal around $1.70. EOS price forecast for May 2022. In view of the value changes of EOS toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the essentially normal EOS pace of $1.37 in March, which is very huge. Its base and greatest costs can be normal at $1.24 and at $1.41, individually. June 2022. EOS price forecast. Digital currency specialists fundamentally are genuinely prepared to report their figure for the EOS cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost could generally be $1.36, while the greatest could reach $1.48 during this month. By and large, it for the most part is normal that the worth of EOS may be around $1.41 in a enormous manner. EOS price forecast for July 2022 in an inconspicuous manner. Crypto investigators have really taken a look at the value vacillations of EOS in 2022 and in earlier years, so the kind of normal EOS rate they certainly foresee could in every practical sense be around $1.44 in May. It can drop to $1.39 as a base, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The greatest worth could truly be $1.55 in an unpretentious manner. August 2022. EOS price forecast, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Around mid-year 2022, the EOS cost will especially be exchanged at $1.50 overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.62, which is genuinely critical. It basically is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1.45 in June 2022. EOS price forecast for September 2022, which basically is very huge. Crypto specialists for the most part have investigated EOS costs in 2022, so they are prepared to really give their assessed exchanging especially normal for July $1.53. The kind of the least and pinnacle EOS rates may be $1.46 and $1.70. October 2022. EOS price forecast, or so they sort of thought. Crypto examiners basically expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the EOS cost will by and large be around $1.59, or so they thought. In August, the EOS cost might drop to a kind of least of $1.52 in an unpretentious manner. The normal pinnacle worth could basically be $1.77 in August 2022, as opposed to prevalent thinking. EOS price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down EOS costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the EOS rate could arrive at a sort of limit of $1.85 in September 2022, which is very huge. It may, in any case, drop to $1.60. For September, the determined truly normal of EOS in every way that really matters is especially almost $1.65, which most certainly is very critical. December 2022. EOS price forecast, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Around mid-2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at the for the most part normal degree of $1.70, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypto investigators expect that in October 2022, the EOS cost could basically vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $1.92. EOS price prediction 2023 amazingly. After the examination of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the kind of least cost of EOS will be around $2.37 in a kind of significant manner. The greatest expected EOS cost may especially be around $2.85. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.45 in 2023, or so they thought. What really is EOS crypto used for? You can send, hold or get EOS coins between wallets in an unpretentious manner. This makes it a quick and kind of free installment framework in a by and large huge manner.